opponent in the red corner, Mark Angelo Kinalayo! Round one.
Good evening, Dynasty Fight Club powered by URCC. Here we go again for another slap battle night that you can bet on only here in Dynasty. Tonight, we have a returner fighter in slap battle in the blue corner, Bartolo. And in the red corner, Mark, who's been improving his skills and technique to win in the slap battle. But before we begin, let us talk to them and let them trash talk their opponent. How about you, Mark? What will you have to say? Will you win tonight? Will you beat Bartolo?
Magandang gabi, yo! Ito lang makikita ko sa labang ko. Basta, tuloy na laban, tigmaan na to! Yo!
Yo! Big man! Oh my God! I think we're gonna see a knockout here. What's your response, Bartolo?
Makikita natin lahat dito. Lalo na sa mga, kasi ako baguhan ako dito. Pero ngayon, pakita ko sa inyo paano magpasampal ng totoong sampal dito sa aking dalawa. Ito yung masabi ko, bigay mo ang best mo, bigay mo yung best ko. Yun lang.
Why so humble, Bartolo? I know you. I know how you train. You're using a brick on your face every day to make it hard. But let us begin. First match, rock, paper, scissors. Ready? Ready? Are you ready? Let's get it on! Sampalan na! Come on! Mark! Harder! Alright, Bartolo, your turn! What's that? Oh my God! That's the first time you slap the air! Slap the face! Not the air! Oh my God! Alright! Second slap! So late, Mark. Slap harder. Bawal ang supot na sampal dito.
Kailangan tumama ka lang, madi-disqualify ka. Lumapit ka pa. Benji, Mark, lapit ka lang konti.
Oh my God, you're both pussies! Stop harder! That's for the round 1!
Swear I get it just how I get it. Hate a nigga gon' watch when I set my bread to the ceiling like hold up. I be that nigga still getting work in the cake. Then I went back to the field and the niggas wouldn't come I stay it. Got crazy times got help, I lose my paper, I lose my mom, so I'm smoking this earth trying to keep my calm.
Round 2.
Alright, second round. Are you ready? Are you ready? Sampalan na! That's better! So lame. Very disappointed on you, Bertolo.
Alright.
Second stop. What? Oh my God! Alright, that's for the round 2.
Round 3.
Alright, round 3, but before we begin, why do you step like that, Mark? Is this your best?
Papayta ko lahat ng best ko. Hanggat makakaya ko.
Alright, Bartolo. Oh my God, you're disappointed. I mean, you're disappointing me. Why do you stop like that? Last time I saw you, you were stopping a cow, and you knocked it out. Why do you stop like a pussy? Come on.
Isa sa trabaho, medyo bumagal yung mga sistema.
Alright, make sure you knock out Mark. Okay, let's go.
A round of applause for your winner. In the blue corner, Lino Bartolo!
There you have it, guys. Our first match of the Snap Battle, but we still have a second match here in Dynasty Fight Club that you can bet on.